Hi guys, how are you all? So in today's video we are going to talk about how to find out HCF and LCM of two numbers. So maths is a very interesting subject. The name itself has its explanation. HCF. We are talking about HCF. HCF, what it is saying? Highest common factors, right? Or it is also called GCF, that is greatest common factor. So what we have to do, what do you understand by the name? We have to find out first common factor, and then we have to find out the highest one out of that, right? So before finding the common factor, we will have to find out the factors, right? Suppose we have to find out HCF of 10 and 18. So what will our first step? First, let us find out their factors. So factors of 10 will be 1, then 2, then 5 and 10. These are the factors of 10. So guys, if you want to know how to find out all the factors of any number without leaving any, you can go to my video. I'll just share the link in the description. So that is a very easy method. Now let us find out factors of 18. The factors of 18 are again 1. 1 is factor of every number. 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So now we have find out the factors of all the numbers. The first step is done. Now let us see the common factors out of these. So I'll just circle the common factors here. Okay, so this is the common factor, right? 1 is common in both of them. 2 is common in both of them. So do we have 5 anywhere here? No. 10 anywhere here? No. So now we don't have any other common factor. Now what is HCF? What I said, highest common factor. So you have found the common factors. Which is the highest out of that? We have found two factors, that is 1 and 2. So highest is, the biggest one is 2. So HCF for these numbers will be 2. Isn't it very easy? Right. Now let us go to LCM. Again, as if I told you, like we can find the solution in the name itself. LCM, least common multiple. So let us find the solution in it. That first what we have to do, we have to find out the multiple. Then we will see the common multiple, and then we will see the smallest common multiple. So let us again take example. Let us see, we have to find out LCM of 3, and let us say the other number is 6. Okay, so first we have to write down the multiples of 3, right? This is our first step. So the first multiple of 3 is 3, then 6, 9, 12, 18, 21 and so on, right? We can get any number of multiples. How we get the multiples? So if you want to find out that how we can find out the multiple of any number, you can again go to my video. I'll just share the link in the description box. The second number is 6. Let me explain you also. The first multiple will be 6 into 1, so that is 6. The second multiple will be 6 into 2, that is 12. The third multiple is 6 into 3, 18. The fourth multiple is 6 into 4, 6 4s are 24. And the fifth multiple will be 30. And this way we have many multiples. So what you saw, how I found out the multiples, I just kept on multiplying 6 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And I got all the multiples of 6. So this is the first thing done. So we have got the multiple. First step is done. Now we have to see the common multiple. So let me circle the common multiples. 3 is common here somewhere. in 6? No. 6 you can find here also and here also, so it is a common. 9, it is not in the multiples of 6, so it is not common. Now 12. 12 is in 3 also, it is in 6 also, so 12 is the common multiple. Now 18, yes, 18 is in 3 also, and it is for 6 also. Now 21, no, now we cannot find any common multiple. So now we have done our second step. We have got the common multiple. Now what do you mean by least? Least means smallest. So which is the smallest common multiple here? It is 6. So what is the LCM of the two numbers? LCM of these two numbers is 6. Isn't it very easy? I always say maths is a very interesting subject, right? So when you try to find out the things in the name, you always get the solution of that thing. Okay? So bye everyone.